We're unspottable. What are you gonna do about it? Oh, I'm totally spotted on this trailer. Holy shit, that's black. What logbook? I gotta go spot something. Oh fuck, I broke it. Holy shit, that's heavy, but I got this. I hope Blaine didn't see that. Yeah, it's supposed to do that, it's doing a burn. Spotswell is my middle name. I got a permit. Matter of fact, I got two, it's so heavy. Do you have something that needs spot? Today on my Alberta job, we're going to take a step back into the past and revisit a Roadtrain video. This one we're picking up a Sinister P-tank out at James River. Conditions were less than favorable. Just like always, just washed, polished up the rig, right into a shithole. Just like always. But that's Alberta oil field for you. Always soft, always muddy. Always going to rain at 4 o'clock. So yeah, let's go for a journey. Of course, like always, every good oil field trucker, we always stop, we sign in, we put on our PPE, we look around, we go, shit, it's shitty in here. But where there's a will, there's a way. I'm gonna get the cat to help me out. It's kind of in a spot where I don't really want to put my truck. And I found some dry spots. I'm like, oh, I'm just going to pull in here and stay on the high and dry a little bit here. I won't have to chain up because there's no room to run out your chains because we're right out on a paved road. So we're going to get the cat to kind of spin it a little bit for me onto a drier spot, and then I'll just suck it to me, put her on the trailer. We'll chain her down, and the cat will probably have to pull us out to the main road there. Just as he seen it as I was coming in, he was just finishing pulling somebody out. And then we'll head on down the road and take her back to town. small pit stop. Look, Reagan Union Church, where Kiana was baptized and I was baptized. Rustic, 1926. Let's one-handedly check my loan. Legal. Stop because the door came open. Fucking doors. That's got her. Looking great, looking great. So much for washing yesterday. Still looks better than it did.
Hallelujah.